I never dreamed at the beginning of this year that it would have unfolded as it has, but it did. So much of what we depend on has changed, and adjustments had to be made. Artists spend a lot of time alone, adjusting, changing things, and troubleshooting, but we find ways to finish strong. The Gatherwell Experience is my way of doing just that. I wanted to create a course for the final 7 weeks of this year that made finishing well with uplifted hearts and minds a bit easier. It's not really a painting course, but we will definitely paint. It is more of an experience with like minds who choose to place their focus on beautiful things, creative things, delicious things, and everything in between. We will write through it, journal through it, paint through it, but we will also decorate and bake and share what fills our hearts with wonder in community. Some will honor Christmas and some the winter solstice, and all will do that by tapping in creatively in whatever way they choose. When in-person gathering is limited in this life, creatives can gather and dwell by adapting. The Gatherwell Experience is our way out of a tough year and a perfect way to begin a new chapter in our beautiful lives. Join me in ending 2020 creatively well and beginning 2021 creatively strong. For more details and to register, go to ardithgoodwin.com/Gatherwell.